Back to another video. Today in this video I am gonna talk about what is rental insurance. So let's start our video. Rental insurance may cover personal belongings damage from a covered peril plus additional living expenses like groceries and lodging if you are unable to live at your residence while it's being repaired because of a covered loss. Your rental policy also include personal liability coverage if you are legally responsible for someone else's injuries or damages. Rental insurance won't cover actual structure you live in. That's your landlord responsibility. What are different types of coverage offered on a rental insurance policy? The standard coverages on a typical rental insurance policy are personal property, personal liability, medical payments to others, and loss of use personal property. Personal property coverage covers your possessions, including electronics, clothing, and furniture. In case of loss or damage, your possessions may be covered even if you are all way away from home when the loss occurs. So, for example, if someone steals your laptop from your car, your renter's insurance may pay to replace the laptop of your policy limits and minus your deductible. Your policy personal property coverage may cover personal possessions damage from a covered peril from the following categories: clothing, electronics, furniture, decorations, toys, other games, tools, power equipment, appliances you brought into your place. Personal liability. Personal liability coverage may provide protection if a claim or lawsuit is brought against you for bodily injury or property damage that you may be responsible for. For example, if a visitor trips over your rug and is injured, liability coverage may provide compensation up to your policy limits for their injuries and provide you with legal defense if you are sued. Medical payments to others may provide coverage if their bodily injury due to an occurrence, for example, suppose a visitor is injured and requires an X-ray to determine if her leg is broken, this coverage may pay for her medical cost up to your policy limit. Loss of use. Loss of use coverage may pay for additional cost your incur to maintain your normal household standard of living while your rental home is being repaired or rebuilt due to covered loss. For instance, if a fire makes your rental home not suitable or fit to live in, additional living expense within your loss of use coverage may pay for a short-term rental, a storage unit for your belongings, and increased food bills. While these coverages are common on most renters insurance policies, some providers may offer optional coverages including personal injury and water backup. What does renters insurance not cover? Renters insurance typically won't cover normal wear and tear or damage or losses that occur before you bought the policy. Your rental insurance policy also won't cover damage and vandalism to the dwelling or your roommate possessions if they aren't listed as a named insured on your policy. Contact your insurer to see if you are able to list your roommate on your renter's insurance policy. Certain natural disasters, including earthquake and sinkholes, are also typically not covered by standard property insurance, regardless of whether you rent or own. Floods typically aren't covered even when they result from another covered event, such as a severe rainstorm. You may purchase a separate flood insurance policy from the National Flood Insurance Program or a private insurer. So this is our today video. Hope you enjoy this video and learn something from this video. See you in next video. Take care.